Hey ladies, so we're just gonna hop straight into it. So in a bowl, I've added a cup of baking soda and 1/4 of a cup of citric acid. Now I'm gonna need 1 tablespoon of the ONGUARD cleaner concentrate. So I just need to top this off. Okay, and we're gonna add this straight into the bowl. ¿Está listo para? No, con el tenedor. And then we're gonna mix it up. Got my little assistant here today. Okay.
Cool.
And as he's mixing it up, today I'm going to be using, for my oils, I'm going to be using ONGUARD and Wild Orange. And I'm going to be adding 5 drops of each. 2, 3, 4, 5. Sí, muy bien. Sigue mixing it up. And then 5 drops of Wild Orange. Okay.
Muchos de esto. Everywhere. Okay.
Well, eso es lo que pasa porque le pusimos aceite. Okay. So now you just wanna, momento mi amor. We're gonna mix it up and then we are going to add it into our molds.
Forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way.